Ok, chúng ta tiếp tục ôn tập video thứ 2 nha. Play badminton. Play badminton. Play badminton. Badminton. She is playing badminton with her friends. Play badminton. Have a barbecue. Have barbecue. Have barbecue. Barbecue. Have barbecue. We are having barbecue. Now, do you want to come with us? We are having barbecue now. Do you want to come with us? Beach. Beach. Các bạn nhớ đừng đọc là beach nha. Chúng ta không đọc là beach, chúng ta đọc là beach. Beach. They are going to the beach this weekend. They are going to the beach this weekend. Beach. Make a cake. Make a cake. Make a cake. Make a cake. My mother is making a delicious cake for me. My mother is making a delicious cake for me. Go to the mall. Go to the mall. She is going to the mall to buy a dress for her mother. Dress. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. Từ từ các bạn không đọc là movie nha. You should say movie, not movie. She is watching a movie in the living room. She is watching a movie in the living room. Have a party. Have a party. They are having a big party. They are having a big party. Pizza. Pizza. Tuyệt đối tiếng Anh các bạn đừng đọc từ này là pizza nha. Chúng ta chỉ nói trong tiếng Việt là pizza thôi. Còn tiếng Anh chúng ta phải đọc là pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Jenny is making a pizza for me. Pizza. Go swimming. Go swimming. He is going swimming with his friends this Sunday. He is going swimming with his friends this Sunday. Watch TV. Watch TV. Watch TV là viết tắt của watch television. Television. Watch television. The children are watching television in the bedroom. Play video games. Play video games. My brother likes playing video games. Watch a movie. Okay. That's all for today. Bye bye, guys. Have fun.